Welcome to my Huawei Mate 70 Pro review. So stay still, my lovely friends. Now that the Huawei Mate 70 Pro has been released on November the 26th, 2024, recent Huawei Mate 70 Pro news focuses on user reviews and comparisons with other flagship smartphones, allowing us to examine its real-world performance and see how the reality of the device matches up to the promises made during the Huawei Mate 70 Pro first look. So let's start with the pros and cons. Huawei Mate 70 Pro's impressive camera system. The triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main sensor, delivers exceptional photo and video quality, particularly with its 4K recording capabilities. Fast charging with 100-watt wired and 80-watt wireless charging, the device can recharge quickly, making it convenient for users on the go. Robust battery life. The 5500 mAh battery provides ample power for all-day use, even under heavy workloads. High-quality display. The 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display features a 120 Hz refresh rate and high brightness levels, ensuring vibrant visuals. Durability features, IP69 water and dust resistance, along with Kunlun glass protection, enhance the device's longevity. Huawei Mate 70 cons. No expandable storage. The absence of a microSD card slot limits storage flexibility for users needing more space. Limited software ecosystem. Running HarmonyOS means missing out on Google mobile services, which may deter users accustomed to Android apps. Missing audio jack. The lack of a 3.5mm headphone jack could be inconvenient for those who prefer wired audio solutions. Less competitive chipset. The Kirin 9020 chipset, built on a 7nm process, may not match the performance of competitors using newer technologies. Design and build. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro showcases a blend of modern design and robust build quality. With its dimensions of 164.6 by 79.5 by 8.2 mm and a weight of 221 grams, some may find it slightly bulky compared to competitors. The device features a quad-curved display, which some may enjoy and others dislike. Constructed from aluminum alloy and glass, the Mate 70 Pro also boasts an IP69 rating for water and dust resistance. The color options spruce green, hyacinth purple, snow white and obsidian black appeal to various tastes. However, while the design is visually striking, some users may prefer more unique or innovative aesthetics rather than the somewhat standard look shared across the Mate 70 series. The use of second-generation Kunlun glass adds durability against drops and scratches, although it may not be as resistant as some competitors' offerings, and if you're enjoying the content, don't resist pressing the like button below to help me continue making this type of content. Appreciate it, my friend. Display. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro features a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 2832 x 1316 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of approximately 453 pixels per inch. The display supports a refresh rate of 120 Hz. However, while the refresh rate is impressive, some users may find that it drains the battery more quickly when set to maximum performance. Brightness levels are good, with a peak brightness of 2500 nits, which is enough for outdoor visibility. Nevertheless, the high brightness can lead to increased heat generation during prolonged use. Performance. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro is powered by the Kirin 9020 processor, which delivers impressive performance across various tasks, with 12 GB of RAM, which is enough for most users, even power users. Storage options are generous, offering 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB variants, and also supports expandable storage up to 256 GB using an NMSD card. In benchmark tests, the Mate 70 Pro performs admirably. AnTuTu benchmark scores for the Mate 70 Pro are around 1.25 million, which is comparable to the iPhone 14, making it suitable for demanding applications and gaming. Users report a smooth operation during daily tasks such as browsing, video streaming, and gaming. However, while the Kirin 9020 provides a robust performance, some users may find it less competitive compared to flagship processors from other brands like Qualcomm or Apple in specific high-intensity scenarios. Additionally, the absence of Google mobile services can limit app availability for users accustomed to the Google ecosystem. Our analysis indicates the Huawei Mate 70 Pro's performance is driven by the Kirin 9020 chipset, although it shows incremental improvements rather than a significant redesign compared to its predecessor. Overall, the Mate 70 Pro offers a powerful and versatile performance package for a wide range of users. Camera: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro showcases a refined circular camera module, a signature design element that distinguishes it from other smartphones and is slightly larger than the standard Mate 70 model. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro is equipped with an impressive camera system featuring a triple rear camera setup that includes a 50-megapixel main sensor with a variable aperture of f1.4 to f4.0, a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, and a 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This configuration allows for versatility in photography. The variable aperture enhances low-light performance, so in theory it should capture clearer images in challenging lighting conditions. The front camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, supports HDR and can record video in up to 4K resolution, making it good for selfies and video calls. However, while the photo quality is generally good, some users have reported occasional issues with exposure stability in complex lighting situations, particularly in video mode. Low light performance is okay with good noise control and detail retention, however, some noise may still be noticeable in very dim conditions. Battery and charging: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro is equipped with a robust 5500 mAh battery, providing a great capacity for daily use. It supports an impressive 100-watt wired charging, 80-watt wireless charging, and 20-watt reverse wireless charging. In typical usage scenarios, the Mate 70 Pro delivers a solid battery life, easily lasting a full day even with heavy use, including streaming, gaming, and multitasking. While the overall battery performance is commendable, some users may find that the high-speed charging can lead to increased heat generation during the process. This can be a concern for those who prioritize device longevity. The device's AI capabilities enhance user experience by optimizing performance based on usage patterns, which improves the battery. Overall, the Mate 70 Pro has a great balance between fast charging capabilities and practical battery life. Software and user interface: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro runs on HarmonyOS 4.3, a proprietary operating system which marks Huawei's shift away from Android due to ongoing sanctions. It is important to note that HarmonyOS 4.3 is still based on Android. Huawei is transitioning to HarmonyOS Next, which is not based on Android. Customization options are plentiful, allowing users to tailor their experience through themes and widgets. While HarmonyOS is very smooth, users may find it lacks some familiar features and apps available on traditional Android devices. The absence of Google mobile services limits access to many widely used apps like YouTube, which can be a significant drawback for users accustomed to these services. However, Huawei is reportedly working on expanding its app ecosystem. Connectivity. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro supports both 4G and 5G networks, ensuring robust connectivity for users in various regions. It is compatible with a wide range of 5G bands, facilitating high-speed internet access. The device features advanced Wi-Fi capabilities, supporting Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 7 standards, which enhance data transfer speeds and improve overall network performance. This is particularly beneficial for users who rely on stable connections for streaming and gaming. Bluetooth 5.2 is included, enabling features such as Near-Link for seamless pairing. NFC support is available, allowing for quick mobile payments and data sharing. The Mate 70 Pro utilizes a USB Type-C port with a USB 3.1 capabilities, enabling fast data transfer and charging options. Price and value. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro is positioned in the premium smartphone market with the launch prices starting at approximately 6,499 yuan, around $895 for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant, and reaching up to 7,999 yuan, $1,000, $100 for the 1TB model. This pricing places it competitively within the flagship segment, appealing to users seeking high-end specifications and features. In terms of price-to-performance ratio, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro specs are pretty good, including a powerful Kirin 9020 processor, advanced camera capabilities, and a vibrant OLED display. These features contribute to a compelling user experience that justifies its price point for many consumers. However, some users may perceive the absence of Google mobile services as a drawback, potentially diminishing its value compared to competitors that offer a more familiar Android experience. When compared to rivals like the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro, which also fall within a similar price range, the Mate 70 Pro holds its ground but may lack in software ecosystem support and CPU performance when compared to the competition, and especially to the 16 Pro Max or the S24 Ultra. So, to conclude, while the Mate 70 Pro provides excellent performance and features for its price, its value proposition may vary depending on user preferences regarding software and app availability.